Hello guys, so this is Awesome Vlog Shop. It's been a while since I made the last video, so I apologize for that. And if you guys can see, I got a new background and it is the Sumiko Gurashi themed one. So basically I stuck Sumiko Gurashi memo pads on a cardboard as the background. So yeah, these are the memo pads that I used. Sorry for the bad lighting. So yeah, there's like a total of 8 designs. So I just find them really cute and got them. So yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the video. This video is about repairing defected squishies because I've heard that nail polish like this one can actually like repair cracks and rips and stuff. So I've tried out myself with this transparent nail polish which I got, and I tried it out on this jumbo taiyaki fish. So initially there was a rather large rip here and a tiny rip on the fin. So yeah, so as you guys can probably see, you can tell that it's nail polish because it's like all shiny. I kind of screwed up this part because I put too much nail polish, and when it hardened it's like really hard and you can hardly squish it anymore. So I did this badly, but there was actually a tiny little rip here. Not sure if you guys can see the nail polish cause it's kind of shiny. Oops, it's not focusing. Okay, so that's the best I can get. So there was actually a crack here and I repaired it perfectly well. It's like you can hardly feel it. So nail polish is good, but you shouldn't put too much, if not it ends up hardened like mine. So yeah, a moderate amount will do just good. And yeah, I did repair my squishy successfully, and I'm gonna show you guys in this video. So in this video, I'll be repairing this Minion Toast squishy. So there's like rips like over here and another one here, so it's like some kind of rips. And yeah, so I'm just gonna coat the rips in nail polish. So yeah, so you want to brush some off so that there's not a lot of too much nail polish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush it on the squishy itself, because what I'm trying to do is not to seal the rip, because it's not really a rip, it's more like a crack on the surface of the squishy. So I'm just gonna put nail polish over and hope that it hardens so that it no longer rips. So yeah. Sorry if the way I put on the nail polish is a bit weird because I don't really use nail polish myself, so yeah. Okay, so gonna dip a bit more. So it's like all shiny and stuff, but I guess it's okay because the squishy itself is shiny. And as for the outline, you can choose whether you want to repair it or to ignore it, because it's actually touching the squishy and it makes the squishy all shiny as well. But I'm just gonna try to coat it up, so yeah. Well, this is gonna take quite a while. just one final layer to be sure. Basically, I'm just like coating the whole thing to be safe. So yeah. So now it's like all shiny and stuff, cause some of them got onto the squishy and also repairing the cracks. So I hope this works out fine, but we'll only know when the nail polish dries, so let's give it some time to dry. Bye for now. So guys, so I'm back and around 10 minutes has passed and I guess the polish has dried up, so let's see. You can still see a little bit of cracks, but it's not as obvious as before, so I guess this is quite a successful one, and it's still rather squishy like the normal squishiness, so it did not affect the squishiness and it does not feel hard at all because it's just a thin coating. So yeah, I guess you guys can try that to repair your squishy too. So hope this video will help, and bye guys!